It's your boy Alan here from Alan's Old School Garage. Today we're at Rough and Tumble John Deere Days. Looks like there'll be a pretty good turnout. Let's go check it out.
I'm gonna try to have idle down there.
Please text us before that.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it starts, I think it's the 11th Thursday.
Here's a GP. And then this would be like an unstyled A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I don't know much about John Deere. All I know is it's a general purpose unstyled. And then they got the little toot running around, the little train running around on the track. Little Oliver OC3 crawler. Yeah, I honestly don't know much about John Deere. Now, if this was the Cub Cadet or the Farm All show, I'd be all over it.
That's a problem too.
Okay.
A really big old one.
Here's a John Deere with a Peterbilt cab.
It's a John Deere.
Cool tractor.
Oh, that's really neat.
Never seen nothing like it.
I've not.
All I know is there's a lot of John Deere's here. If you ask me, red's better, but that's just my opinion. $6,000, you can get yourself a John Deere 620. Orchard model. Cool beautiful tractor.
What is it, aerodynamics? They race.
Here's a 435.
I'm sorry. Okay.
John Deere forklift. That's cool.
It's a little forklift, huh?
Yeah, it is. It's a tractor. I wonder if reverse is forward. It's like that. John Deere L or LA? $530. 70, 60. I think that's an unstyled B. And that's an unstyled A.
Check out the patina on this one.
Yeah, that's some good looking
It's got
patina.
some, yeah, the patina is like really
Yeah.
nice on that. I dig it.
I don't like shiny. I could care less about it.
Yeah, the shiny is just on deal. I mean, it's pretty, but
Yeah. A B, unstyled B, regular B, Look at all of these pedal tractors. My gosh.
Bicycle chain is a different pitch.
I would die to have one of these.
Chain I found that works the best. You can find both routes.
The garden tractor one. Yeah, it is. I think this is what they call a 70. Not too sure though. A 60, 50, 40.
I like the ones with the love seat.
Do ya now?
The buddy seat.
That's an L or an LA. Here's the LA. 318. 110. The John Deere bicycle is so cool.
Oh wow, yeah. Ice cream maker.
Yes.
Ice cream maker.
I want an ice cream maker. I'm looking for one right now. I have a little bit of Stratton that can run it. I just can't find one. So if any of you have one that you want to give me, let me know. Comment. 40. 420. Right here's a B. This is an AR. B. They like their B's at this row. Right here's our buddy Travis's tractors. A 31 John Deere GP. So this was John Deere's first attempt at the row crop, he was telling me. Here's the 37A that I drove. Very fun tractor. And I drove this one too. This is a John Deere L? LI, okay. He just painted this one yellow because it was old state tractor. It was green when he got it, but it's super cool. 50. MT. Oh, and a 70. These are neat little tractors, down shaft. These are similar to like a 111. H. Unstyled B, A, 1 and 2. B. Another B. A lot of B's here. I don't know if they're like the most popular style. This is the first big farm tractor style here. That's cool. A. 50. I think this is what they call the John Deere MT, I'm pretty sure. Something, I'm pretty sure that's what that is. A 720. John Deere. One was a 175. The other was a No, I 110's my favorite. But it was a 214 and a 318.
Ah, 318.
The best one was ever 175. It was the only one that actually decently ran. 318 ran horrible. The 214 plowed with it once and the trans locked up. But it had a good running 14 in it, so I took it out. Because I'm a sucker for Kohlers. If you don't know that. Mom, how many Kohlers do I have sitting on the shelf?
Oh, I lose count. I think you sneak them in when I'm not listening.
I do.
Don't tell your dad I do the same thing with shoes.
Yeah, I know. I think I have like 5 or 6 sitting on the shelf, and then I have a couple V-twins. I have a Subaru V-twin. A D. John Deere trike. That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
John Deere L. 140. Oh, pedal shaft is cool. Yeah, it is. Three different sizes in this motor's running. A 1.5, a 3, and a 6 horsepower. That's cool. 110.
Fight over that. Sally, they said you got the wrong handle.
120. 214. Oh, this is what I had. I gotta say, that thing was so cramped. Like, it was a long tractor, but right where you sat was so cramped. Plowed with it once, and then I got on my old 71 Cub Cadet and just stretched out, and it felt so good. A D, and I think an AK or AR. John Deere 40. Nice D. And front tires, they're one rib. B. A. G. There's AR with the canopy. That's cool. $110 with hydraulic lift. Oh, we're drilling.
My whole family went.
Oh, it smells so good.
We paid like $100 a person in this big old house.
520.
It was like 15, 20 minutes away from the factory.
That thing got some patina on it. Yeah, another Hammer MC. I kind of like these. They're neat. Mom, I kind of like these. They're a nice size.
Yeah.
They're neat.
Yeah.
8. John Deere 40. 830.
My son would love the one. My son
630.
builds old tractors. Okay, well here he is.
Plow actually fits a Lindemann on a
Okay.
Lindemann. This is a model MC1000 toolbar.
Okay.
Okay. You can take this off, and this actually has a leg that drops down. You put a 2x4 under it. You pull this pin out, and when you lift this, that I'm sorry, drop it, that will drop down off there. No, lifts off of there. It lifts off of there. It doesn't drop off there. And then you can pull the crawler out and spin it around and put it back in. And then there's a blade that mounts on here. So
yeah.
it's a bulldozer.
Awesome.
That's
But they
cool.
made a whole series of implements to fit this toolbar, but try to find them
Yeah.
because they didn't make many of them.
Okay.
And they made planters, they made listers, they made spring tooth harrows, they made disc harrows, they made all, and they did make a plow.
Okay.
Okay. Now on a Lindemann crawler, when the toolbar that's on a Lindemann has two different pivot points. So when the plow's on the back, the toolbar sits much higher.
Yeah.
And that's why this is this high. See how much height there is here?
Yeah.
Now on this particular toolbar, if you had the correct plow, this thing will rotate till it's on a 45, like on a diamond. By
Okay.
turning these, you turn, there's one on each side, you turn them and it'll roll. Unfortunately, this one has only ever been used as a bulldozer up until now. And I could get it to move a ½ inch, but I can't get any further. And so something's wrong on both sides. Both sides
Okay.
block up. But I found the plow and I thought, I've never seen one of those before. So I thought, can I somehow make it work on this toolbar? And I thought I could roll this. Well, it didn't work to roll it. And it turns out the plow that's actually made to fit this, the way this blade mounts on here, there's like a quick coupler, and the blade sits in a hook on the top and a pin in the bottom. And that's exactly the same way the plow that fits it is made.
Okay.
The plow has an end on it similar to this. There's a solid bar that sits on a diamond and it's welded to a plate that fits into that hook and the pin, and then it would work. So it's not accurate, but I had the plow and I wanted to show it because I like to see implements.
Yeah.
You know, you look at 1,500 tractors, they all look the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But the implements are a little different. So,
Yeah.
and this is kind of unique. So
Very
if I ever found